In this video, I will make a tubular fountain with free energy that will be amazing. We separate the straws with scissors as shown in the video and pierce the bottle caps using a soldering iron and create the body of the bottle with 2 holes facing each other. We connect the straws to the bottle caps using hot glue as shown in the video. And we connect 2 bottles using a straw. We connect the end part of a bottle, which is the center of the created hole, to the bottle cap using thermal glue. Would you like to know this amazing combination that causes color change? So if it is interesting to you, leave a comment and I will teach you how to make it in the next video. Adjust the straw to direct the water into the bottle and then add some water to complete the system. Subscribe for useful and amazing techniques. Thanks for watching this video.